Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Emeka coming at you from my self-published blueprint. And on today's Kindle tip, I want to show you this really cool tool called Book Report. All right. So you can see here, I'm on my KDP dashboard, and I could easily just go click on reports and get the standardized KDP report, the graph, and my pages read. What Book Report is, and I'll have a link down in the description for you. It's super easy. Just get bookreport.com. And what it does is it just cleans up and allows you to customize your reports so much better than Amazon does. So all you do is you click on the link down in the description, you click on Get Book Report, you install it, it'll sit right up here. I keep it right up here so I can just click on when I need. And then what you're going to do, this is free, by the way, and what you're going to do is you're going to be on your bookshelf. You're going to click Book Report. And perfect. So you can see here, it brings it up, and you have a couple different things you can look at. You can look at today's, and I can't click on that because otherwise you're going to see all the books for today's sales. Historical, and these are the books that I share publicly. And what's cool is it allows you to kind of see just in a different view on what's going on with sales and things like that. So you can change it from, you go into so many different categories versus on KDP, you have to export this. If it's older than 3 months, I believe you have to export it onto Excel sheets. This, you can just keep it nice and visible and everything. You can sort by authors and all of that, or book titles, whatever you want. And so earnings by book, author name, marketplace to see, what countries are coming or are purchasing your books and all of that. So it just allows you to see so much more data in a really cool way. I believe it's free if you're earning less than $1,000 a month with from KDP, and then after that, it just starts charging a very small minimal monthly fee. But it's a pretty much it's a free service to get going, and then once you're making $1,000, you don't care if you're paying $5 or $10 for this thing a month. It really helps keep things organized for you. I love it. I know a lot of publishers use it, so I wanted to make sure I shared it with all of you so you could take advantage of this today. So hey, if you're brand new, please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification so you get more Kindle tips coming at you every Tuesday. Until next time, everyone, I'm Emeka. We'll speak to you all soon. Take care.